और मॉर्निंग में यहाँ थोड़ी रेन हो गई थी, बट नाउ इज सनी।
Like also scared because it's like going to rain. I think because the
अब जितना भी चक्कर आया, जितना भी फीलिंग हुई, सब भूल गई। Where is the rainbow? But where is my family? Hello. Today is our second day and we are going for a ferry ride. Actually, we will go to Gozo Island and Comino and Blue Grotto. तो ये फेरी राइड से होगा पूरा ट्रिप हमारा। तो वी आर रेडी। और मॉर्निंग में यहाँ थोड़ी रेन हो गई थी, बट नाउ इज सनी एंड लिटिल बिट क्लाउडी ऑल्सो। सो लेट्स सी फेरी राइड अगर ओपन है तो देन वी विल गो फॉर फेरी राइड रिवर।
जेट वाली बाइक आती है ना, पानी में चलती है।
तो हम जा रहे हैं।
तैरना नहीं आता है।
Now we are entering to our ferry. We booked our ferry from Supreme Cruise. Actually, we are very excited for our trip. Let's see excitement कितना बना रहता है।
hello guys. Today I'm going to show you the ship. We are going to explore the ship. So come with me. And here are the
Now take me.
here are the seats. And if you are like scared or the ship is sinking, so we can take off the life jacket and wear it. The life jacket is under the seat and it's also there.
Okay.
And here like some snacks and ice cream. And I'm going to go upstairs. Come on.
Okay.
There's two ways to go upstairs. That way. There's two ways. Let's go by here. I will just show you that first.
Okay.
But be careful. It's so wet.
Okay.
Be like some. Now let's go upstairs. This upstairs part. So maybe our so we can sit and look.
That's the same.
And nobody's sitting here because it's like in the middle. That's why. So everybody's sitting over there or there so that they can see the view.
Thank you, बोल के बंद कर।
I forgot to show you something. And downstairs there is a bathroom.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Today we are in a full day trip on ship.
Yay!
Yes, today we are in a full day trip. Actually, we are going to Gozo Island, Comino Island, and Blue Grotto.
Garada.
Yes, actually we will departure from here 10:30 and we will return at 6:30 in the evening.
Oh, I thought about
We have lot of time to enjoy.
And you have 1 hour 30 minutes to play
We have 1 hour. Yes, we have 1 hour 30 minutes to swimming and for photos.
For playing.
Yeah, in Gozo Island. After that, we will go Comino Island, and after that,
Do we have
Blue Goroto.
Do we have time to play the water? I love you.
I don't have any idea, but let's see. But we will actually, yes, as he told to us कि हम हर आइलैंड पे उतरेंगे ज़रूर for I think half an hour or 1 hour. But this trip is gonna be a very exciting trip for us.
Mama. Yeah, but I'm like also scared because it's like going to rain. I think because the weather is.
But it will not affect us.
Yeah, but what happens if it starts to wind?
Windy? No. Today's weather is not windy.
It's raining.
Yeah. Are you excited, Aradhya,
Yes.
for this trip? Yes. 10:22. Okay, we will departure in 8 minutes. Yay.
What the hell? We were
which is located.
Now we are starting our journey, but थोड़ा सा weather खराब लग रहा है मुझे. Actually थोड़ा सा cloudy हो गया है. Windy नहीं होना चाहिए बस.
Please contact our park area. You may find us on number of soft drinks, water, sparkling water, coffee, iced coffee, tea, a range of tea, such as English tea, fruit tea, also a range of beer, alcoholic, non-alcoholic beer, which is fruit beer, draft beer, amongst many others.
Look at the waves, guys. It looks horrible. Ooh. I am feeling dizzy now. Actually, ये शिप जितना मूव हो रहा है मैं नीचे भी नहीं बैठ पाई. अब मैं ऊपर आई हूँ यहाँ पे टॉप फ्लोर पे. बट फीलिंग डिजी लिटिल बिट. एक्चुअली वेव्स की वजह से ये काफ़ी ज़्यादा मूव हो रहा है. Now we reached Blue Goroto. Blue Goroto is situated in southeast coast of Malta. Actually, the location of the caves lead to sea water reflecting shades of blue on the cave's wall and ceiling. Amazing. The Blue Goroto is popular destination for tourists to Malta with boat trips visiting the caves running all days of the year.
Mama, but this is a ship, not a boat.
So we cannot enter in these caves, but we can see from here.
Why?
They are looking amazing caves. See the color of water?
Yeah, it's just blue.
Yeah, and the watercolor reflects on the cave's walls and ceiling. That's why call them Blue Goroto.
Why don't you see?
Because we cannot enter in these caves. Actually, the cave entrance is narrow opening, only 2 meter wide and about 1 meter high. This small entrance adds to mystique of the Blue Goroto. Look at this side, Riva. We are now reaching Gozo Island. This is the Gozo Island. Wow, it's look beautiful. Oh my God.
Looking so good.
Yeah, we are reaching here. Gozo is the second largest island in Malta.
Seriously?
Yes.
Now we are at Hop on Hop Off bus.
Yeah, it is sightseeing bus. Actually, it will drop us in Victoria City. Look at this. See? Wow. It's beautiful, really. Gozo Island is famous for its scenic beauty, rich history. Wow, it offers a unique charm. at this side. That is Comino Island. We will go there after Gozo. We are now in Victoria City. Wow, look this city. Wow, amazing.
So good.
Look at this houses, these old buildings.
It looks fancy.
It is historical place, that's why. Victoria City is the capital of Gozo. These narrow roads, amazing. It's beautiful. मैं आपको एक अमेजिंग फैक्ट बताती हूँ यहाँ के बारे में. Actually, if you remember the movie Games of Thrones, it is filmed here in Gozo. Yes, it is filmed in Azure Window in Gozo, but it collapsed in 2017. This iconic limestone arch remains a must-visit site for its stunning coastal view, but we cannot view this site. We are now in Victoria City. Victoria is also known as Rabat. It is main city and administrative center of Gozo. Look at this Christmas decoration. It is fully decorated for Christmas. We will walk here. We will explore it. If you want to explore full Gozo Island, then Victoria is a perfect starting point for exploring other parts of Gozo due to its central location. These balconies, blue, red and green. Wow. As we already saw in Malta, in Slema and Valletta. Actually, it is amazing. अलग ही यूनिक एक्सपीरियंस है सही में माल्टा का ना. मतलब माल्टा में पूरी आपको होल माल्टा में ये बैल्कनीज नज़र आएंगी. ग्रीन, ब्लू एंड रेड. द ब्राइट varied colors add charms and vibrancy to Malta's historic towns and cities. Look at this big gate, blue window, big doors. मतलब मुझे लग रहा है कि मैं बहुत ओल्ड टाइम में आ गई हूँ. Look this gate and this house, green gate, green balcony, green window. And next is blue. We are now in a park. It's looking like a children park. I don't know its name. Actually, I didn't read. Anyone knows the park name can tell me please. क्या ये?
Eyeball. There's that jelly eyeball. We can eat it, but this is bad.
Yeah, this is bad.
It's good. Yeah. That's like eating jelly eyeball, but it's opposite. That guy is so cute.
चलो.
You guys saw?
माउरी पे सामने देखो. रीवा देखो स्क्वायरल. रीवा देखो स्क्वायरल. ये देखो स्क्वायरल बनी हुई थी सारी. देखो. It's looking beautiful. The park is looking so beautiful. Bees. रीवा bees. रीवा bees. Look at the bees.
Wait, this is not big.
Ant, sorry, ant. Okay. I thought beautiful actually. But where is my family? I don't know where they are. You can look this decoration of Santa for Christmas. Wow, beautiful. This mini park in Gozo Island in Victoria City, looking beautiful. I don't know where they are. Okay, I found them. क्या वो वहाँ क्यों नहीं बैठे थे? वहाँ जा बैठे थे। बच्चे कहाँ हैं? Now we are going back to our cruise from this scenic, beautiful, amazing city. Look this watercolor. Wow, pure turquoise color. Amazing. We start to नहीं
able to see the small islands of Cominotto, which are separated by the lagoon itself.
We are now in Comino Island. My God, look this water of sea. My God, amazing shades of turquoise and azure. It's crystal clear quality. Wow, it's totally mesmerizing. Look at this place, guys. It's looking like just a heaven. Oh my God. These rocking mountains. Oh wow. And look at the ocean behind me. Yes. This rainbow. Where's the rainbow? But it's not looking in. Yeah, I know, on the sky. This place is just awesome. Wow. Now I am very happy. Now I am very happy. Yes.
उनकी बात
अब जितना भी चक्कर आया, जितना भी फीलिंग हुई, सब भूल गई. After reaching here, it's Comino Island. Oh my God, it's superb. Radhya, how are you feeling now?
cold.
Oh. Wow. Look at this place. It's truly a gem. Beautiful place. Beautiful.
यार तुमने ग्रुप फोटो नहीं ली अभी तक।
हाँ, अब लेते हैं ना, यहाँ लेते हैं. मैं लेती हूँ नीरज, इसका स्टैंड लगा के लेती हूँ. It's time to go back to Slema, but it was an amazing trip. Really amazing. Look at this Grand Harbor in night view. Wow.
Okay. Thank you. Enjoy your holiday.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Take care. Bye-bye.
Thank you. We enjoyed a lot.
Very good. Very nice. Thank you. Enjoy.
Now we are going to airport. It is time to say Bye bye to Malta, and we are coming Rome. Yes, we are now going to Rome. I will share my Rome's vlogs for sure. But Malta gave us lots of memories. Thank you, Malta. We had wonderful time. Bye bye.